Hello friends, this is Bharti. Welcome to my channel. We have a question here. Let's see. On comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So here we have two equations, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So we have to compare the ratios and check whether the linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So first see here, the constant term is in right side. So here if we find out c1 by c2, we will get 5 by 7. Suppose we transpose 5 to left side and we transpose 7 to left side, then also we will get c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 7, which is equal to 5 by 7. So both are same. Okay, if these are in right side or these are in left side, we will get the ratio is equal to 5 by 7. So no need to transpose these constants to other side, to left side. So keep it as it is. So now we will write the coefficients. Let me erase this. Okay, now here a1, what is a1? Directly we will find out a1 by a2, which is equal to 3 by 2, and b1 by b2, which is equal to 2 by minus 3. The standard form is minus 2 by 3, and c1 by c2, which is equal to 5 by 7. Now we can see here a1 by a2, is 3 by 2, b1 by b2 is minus 2 by 3, which are not equal to 0. It means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, when we find a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we can conclude that the given linear pair of equations has a unique solution. The pair has a unique solution. The pair of linear equations has a unique solution, so we can conclude that the pair of linear equations are consistent. Pair of linear equations are consistent. If we get unique solution, then we can conclude that pair of linear equations are consistent. If we get no solution, then the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. And if we find a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then we can conclude that the pair of linear equations are consistent. Let's move to the next question. Next example. Here also we have to check that the given pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So here a1 by a2. So what is a1? 3 by 2. What is a2? 9. So here we can write, it is actually 9 means it is 9 by 1. Okay. Now I will convert this divided by symbol into multiplication, and we have to write the reciprocal of this, means 1 by 9. It means we will get 3 by 9 2s are 18. Okay. 3 1s, 3 6s are. So it is 1 by 6. b1 by b2 is equal to 5 by 3 by minus 10. Here we can write 5 by 3 into, we can write minus 10 as minus 10 by 1. Now the reciprocal is minus 1 by 10. So here 5 1s are 5 2s are. Here we get minus 1 by 6. So now C1 by C2. 7 by 14, which is equal to 1 by 2. So here we can see that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Here A1 by A2 is 1 by 6, B1 by B2 is equal to minus 1 by 6. These are not equal. So it has a unique solution. It means the pair of linear equations are consistent. Clear? Now let's move to the next example. Here we have another question we have to check. Okay. So here let's compare the coefficients. A1 by A2, which is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now B1 by B2, which is equal to minus 3 by minus 6, minus will be cancelled out, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now C1 by C2 is equal to 8 by 9. So here we can see that it is clear that A1 by A2 is 1 by 2, B1 by B2 is also 1 by 2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, and which is not equal to C1 by C2. It means the pair of linear equations has no solution. So we can conclude that the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now let's move to the next example. So here we will compare the coefficients. A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by minus 10, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. B1 by B2, which is equal to minus 3 by 6, is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here A1 by A2, B1 by B2 are equal. Let's see C1 by C2. C1 by C2 is equal to 11 by minus 22, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, all the ratios are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, which implies that the pair of linear equations has many solutions. Therefore, the pair of linear equations are consistent. If we get many solutions, we can say that the pair of linear equations are consistent. The pair of linear equations are consistent. I hope it's clear. Here you have a homework question. So comment me the answer whether the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. Thanks for watching.